People are pitching in to help healthcare workers in unusual but helpful ways these days, and that includes the city's motorcycle community. CBS 2's Steve Overmyer has today's Snapshot New York.
Williamsburg, Brooklyn is home to relics of yesteryear, and their purpose has been revived.
Something happens when you even see it. You kind of get this nostalgia that you don't even know you've seen it before, but you know that it's something that is meant for fun. When you sit inside, it transforms you. It's magic.
Will Davis has re-engineered his sidecar tour business into a delivery service of our most treasured resource, nurses.
My mother is in healthcare. When this thing happened, immediately it was just like this fear and angst. She works about an hour and a half away from where they live in Brooklyn, so I couldn't help her. So I said, let me try to go ahead and let me try to help others.
At 5 a.m. as Brooklyn stirs, Will is disinfecting every surface for his next hero.
Every single morning, we sanitize every single thing. After every ride, we do that. When they step foot inside, they know that they feel safe.
It's a free service he's providing to keep healthcare workers going.
I knew this was a moment in history that was going to change everything. You got to make a choice in that moment. How do you want to remember yourself? And I wanted to remember myself as somebody stepping up to do something to help, not because I wanted anything out of it, but just because it was the right thing to do.
Sidecars were created in the late 1800s as a way for passengers to ride a bike elegantly, and they've had a history with nurses. During times of war, these fast and nimble machines were perfect transportation for medical personnel traveling to the front lines.
And I thought, you know, we have 4 of these things. Why not use them to go ahead and to do the same thing? Take our infantry, our doctors, our nurses, our essential personnel to the front lines to do what they're doing for us. I mean, they're literally saving our lives.
A venture through New York City in a sidecar gives nurses a new perspective on the city they're saving.
Just kind of breathing. Taken in New York City, you could see it actually had a effect on their stress level. What happens is when they're on the road, literally every person that sees them, it's almost like they want to, like the queen is coming through.
It's almost like you are ushering in royalty as you're driving them in.
People were clapping from the buildings in Manhattan. Not only are they getting to work safe, but they're also getting the hero's glory that they deserve.
Kindness manifests itself in many ways. A gift to be shared for free is rewarding for everyone.
Every single person matters. And if we each look in our lives to see how we can be kind toward one another, the world is going to be a better place. Just connect with people. Be kind to one another.
Oh, a shining example, like the cavalry come riding in right there on 2 wheels. Will has started a GoFundMe page to help employ more sidecar drivers, and you can find that link on our website, cbsnewyork.com.